Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I'm going to be covering a structure of a simple funnel sequence. That funnel sequence is going to be squeeze page, sales page, order form, followed by an upsell. Then I'm going to be following that with a confirmation page. I'm going to be covering the steps that you need to have, or at least that I do use, in any single of these steps, but for sure it's just going to be structural. You then can add more to each funnel. So for this, I'm going to be starting with a squeeze page. Let's jump right in. For a squeeze page, I want to be using an email opt-in. So I'm just going to be using a blank form, a blank page, and select template. Inside this template, I'm going to be editing. I'm going to be using a couple of elements. First element is going to be a text. The second element is going to be a form input. This form input is going to be full name and insert your name, and it's going to be required. The third element is going to be another input, so I'm going to just clone this one, and it's going to be an email address. Insert your email. After that, to conclude the page, we're going to go to form and add a button. This button is going to have an action for submit order form, and then we are going to save, give it a metadata, and now save it again, and you have everything that you need in a squeeze page. Of course, for this to result, you'll need to add a little bit of copy in a couple of images. Next step, we are going to add a sales page. For sales page, you can use several types of pages. I'm going to be using an opt-in page. For this opt-in page, I'm going to be choosing blank as well. So I'm just going to go in blank. Now, after I select this template, I'm going to be adding three elements: a headline, a video, and a button. For the headline, I'm going to be choosing a bold headline with a nice size to it. Then I'm going to add a new row just for the video. I'm going to add the video, and I'm going to edit the width just a little bit. Then I'm going to add a button and connect the button to a new URL that is going to be the next funnel in this case. Alright? So it's going to be the next funnel. Save. After this one, we're going to save just one more time. After this one, we want to copy the URL of the sales page, go back to the squeeze page to connect both. It's not 100% necessary, this step, but I prefer, as giving a direction to where you want to go after submitting. It's going to improve your success. So you just paste the link in on submit go to, and then you just save it. When I mean by success is not conversion rate, it's just when in the future, when you add a new page in between these two, they are gonna go for the exactly the same page that you wanted previously. That makes you more organized. Now we are going to add a new page, a new step, and it's going to be the order form. For the order form, we are going to be using a couple of elements. And the style of this page is going to be order form. There is no blank page, so I'm just going to be using just this template, and it doesn't matter because I'm going to delete everything to build from scratch. So let's go and edit this page. In this page, as I mentioned, I'm going to be deleting every single thing because I don't want I just want to start from scratch. So let's go for background, remove this to white, and now add a section is going to be full width. The first thing that you want to add is actually a column, and it's going to be a subheadline, then a form with an input. This input is going to be the full name, and it's going to add insert your name, and it's going to be required. Then we want to input another form for email, insert your email, and it's going to be required. Now you have the name and the email. You need to be adding a couple more information. For that, I'm going to be adding a name for the contact, for the credit details. Okay, don't use this copy, by the way. Contact details. This copy is not really great. Then we want to use the credit card. Okay, they want to place the credit card right there, and after that we want to be using the shipping, if there's any shipping. Okay, so just go shipping, and for the form there's going to be here shipping address. They have the shipping address. After that, if you want, you can use an order bump, but before they need to see the order summary. So there you go, order summary, and after that we add an order bump. When you have the order bump, you can add the button to, sorry, it's the video. You can add a button to close the form. This button is going to be set action to submit. Now you save, and you have everything that you need, the standards, the basics that you need in order for you to have a sales page, order form. After that, we are going to go and create our upsell. This is going to be our one-time offer, upsell, and create the page. After we create the page, we want to add a specific type of funnel for this one, and it's going to be in sales, and it's going to be one-time offer, click sell, click upsell, right? It's going to be an upsell. For this one, there's no blank as well, so we're going to select the template, and after we get the template, we are just going to wipe everything. Let's go there and edit that stuff. So we are just going to wipe this, just clean. After this, okay, sorry, here, clean this up, clean, and actually clean everything. Let's go to the background, remove these images, and let's start from the beginning. Full width, and for an upsell, the only thing that you actually need is a button and a text. For the button, we are going to set action yes. Here I have no product because I didn't set up a product, but you have yes product. And then you can add a second button if you want for no product, and then say no thanks, I prefer to lose this offer. And for that, just select text and give it a no link, and open, actually not open, just like that, and then like, all right, there you go, a no link. Okay, just like that, no link. After that, you have everything that you need, but as I mentioned, you can duplicate this button, set action to no link, don't buy upsell. Okay, just remove it, let's save it, and let's save this as well. Because we are following the structure, we need to add the last step, which is the confirmation page create funnel. And for this one, I'm going to select what is actually needed. So for the confirmation page, I'm just going to go to sales and order confirmation. For this one, I'm not going to go for blank. I'm just going to go for select any kind of template. And here, let's go to edit. Wipe this and wipe this and that. So let's just go for a full section, and anything that you like, anything that you need, it's just a text, congratulating them, confirmation, or if you want, you can use the confirmation with this order. I don't use this one, I just use this other one, and then you will need to guide them where to go, and that's just about it. So let's save the page, give it, let's see, okay, let's save the page again, sorry. And now you have everything that you need in the sequence to work it and make it a little bit better on the design, hopefully. Now let's make sure that everything is connected. So in the squeeze page, we want to send people to the sales page. So we just copy this link. I think I did this path already, but we'll just copy this link. Go to the squeeze page. Go to settings, general, paste it there. By the way, don't forget here, there's a blank space, just remove it please. And then show, and then save it, and go back. After that, we need to connect sales page to the order form. So let's go for order form. Let's copy this link. Let's go back to sales page. Edit. And there's just one way to do this. Just click here, set action, choose go to next step, or go to URL, paste it there. Again, this little space here, just remove it. Open the same window, please. Let's go settings, general, hide, save. Go back. So these three pages are connected. We want to connect the OTO. Okay. So with the offer form, so we copy the OTO, go to the order form, go to edit page, and after that we just go to general, paste it, remove that space, hide, and save. Let's exit the page. And after that, you need to create the product, right? So what you do is just go to product, add new product, choose your Stripe account or PayPal, whatever. Choose one-time subscription or payment plan. Let's go forward. Here you give name of the product, the price, if it is USD or not. If you want to overlay the price, like something like this, you can do it. It's pretty cool for conversions. Name of the product, description if you want, if it's a bump or not, and let's save and next. For the first step, you need to go save and next every step, every process. I don't want to go and fulfill. I don't want any of the follow-up, neither the shipping options, and it's just the summary of everything. Return product list. After that, remember we have a bump. We want to do the same thing, but instead of using, you're gonna go in bump product 47 for now, 47 bump product, and use bump product and save and next. After this, you just go save next as well. We don't want any fulfillment. Save next, save next, and return to product list. After you do this, you have everything you need. Let's go for the OTO, and you repeat the process. Just go for products and add the product. I'm not going to do that right now because I already covered that step. And then for the confirmation page, you have everything that you need as well. But if you want, you just go for overview, copy the link, go to the OTO, go to the edit page. Now, go to settings, general, on submit, go to a certain page. And there you go. Now you have a structure connected with each other that does stuff. The only thing you need now is just add the design in the copy. Alright? Hope that helped. If you need anything else, just let me know. I'll be doing a lot more content, so just hit me up. Cheers.